Alaskan Malamute, a large breed of dog that was originally bred for its strength and endurance to carry heavy loads as a sled dog and hunting dog. It is similar to other Arctic breeds such as the Husky, Spitz, Greenland Dog, Canadian Eskimo Dog, Siberian Husky, and Samoyed. Although the first dogs are believed to have arrived in the Americas 12,000 years ago, people and their dogs did not settle in the Arctic until 4,500 years ago, when the Paleo-Eskimos came, followed by the Thule people 10 years ago, both from Siberia. Have originated Malamutes were thought to have been bred by the Malimute Inupiaq people of the northern Sound region of Alaska. The Malamute is known as a basal breed that predates the emergence of modern breeds in the 19th century. A 2013 study found that the Alaskan Malamute has a similar East Asian origin to, but is not clearly related to, the Greenland Dog and the Canadian Eskimo Dog, but contains possible Siberian Husky admixture. In 2015, a study using several genetic markers showed that the Malamute, Siberian Husky, and Alaskan Husky are closely related genetically to Chukotka sled dogs from Siberia. They were separated from two Inuit dogs, the Canadian Eskimo Dog and the Greenland Dog. In North America, the Malamute and the Siberian Husky both maintained their Siberian ancestry and contributed significantly to the Alaskan Husky, which showed evidence of crossing with European breeds consistent with the establishment of the breed in post-colonial North America. DNA extracted from a 9,500-year-old dog named Zukov, named after an island in Siberia, was found to share a common ancestor with the Greenland sled dog, Alaskan Malamute, and Siberian Husky. The American Kennel Club breed standard describes the normal size range as 23 inches, 58 centimeters, tall and 75 pounds, 34 kilograms, for females, 25 inches, 64 centimeters, tall and 85 pounds, 39 kilograms, for females, is for males. Heavier individuals, 90 pounds, 41 kilograms, and dogs smaller than 75 pounds, 34 kilograms, are commonly seen. There is often a marked size difference between males and females. Weights upwards of 100 pounds, 45 kilograms, are also seen. The Alaskan Malamute coat is a double coat. The undercoat has an oily, woolly texture and can be as thick as 2 inches. The outer guard coat is coarse and stands off the body longer at the withers but not more than an inch from the side of the body. The ears are small in proportion to the head and stand erect when attention is paid to them. The Alaskan Malamute is a heavy dog, more powerful in nature and build than the Siberian Husky, bred for speed. Common colors are various shades of gray and white, pulpit and white, black and white, seal and white, red and white, or solid white. There is a wide variety of markings in the breed including facial markings, furrow, splash on nape of neck, and collar or half collar. White is often the color mainly on the body, parts of the legs, feet, and part of the facial markings. The eyes of the Alaskan Malamute are almond-shaped and various shades of brown. However, darker eyes are preferred. Purebred Alaskan Malamutes will not have blue eyes. The Malamute's physical build is compact and strong with snowshoe bone, and feet. According to the AKC breed standard, the Malamute's tail is well furred and carried over the back like a wagging plum. A cork tail is occasionally seen but is a fault in the AKC breed standard. A cork tail is commonly seen in Akitas. Malamutes are well furred to help keep them warm when they curl up in the snow. They are often seen wrapping their tails around their noses and faces, which probably helps protect them from harsh weather such as blowing snow. Their ears are generally straight, wedge-shaped, small in proportion to the head and set towards the skull. The muzzle is deep and wide, slightly tapering from the skull to the nose. The nose and gums are black, but some Malamutes have a snow nose, which is black with a pink undertone that can be darker or lighter depending on the season. Alaskan Malamutes are still being used as sled dogs for personal travel, transportation, or helping to move light objects. Some, however, are used for the recreational pursuit of sleep, also known as mushing, as well as for skijoring, bike joring, go-karting, and canicross. However, most Malamutes today are kept as family pets or as show dogs or performance in pulling weight. Dog agility, or pack. Malamutes are generally slower in long-distance dog sled racing against smaller, faster breeds, so their usefulness is limited to hauling or traveling over long distances at rates far slower than required for racing. They can also help move heavy objects over shorter distances. An adult male Alaskan Malamute can weigh about 500 to 1,500 kilograms, 1,100 to 3,300 pounds, depending on build and training. Malamutes, like other northern and sled dog breeds, can have a high prey drive due to their origin and breeding. This may mean that in some cases they will chase smaller animals, including other dogs, as well as rabbits, squirrels, and cats. Malamutes, like other Nordic and sled dog breeds, can drive because of their origins and breeding, have a high bait. This may mean that in some cases they will chase smaller animals including other dogs as well as rabbits, squirrels, and cats. Malamutes are generally calm dogs that rarely bark. When the Malamute is vocal, it often seems to talk with a singing, woo-woo sound. A similar Spitz dog called the Siberian Siberian Husky is much more vocal. A 2004 British Kennel Club survey with a small sample size of 14 dogs, average lifespan of 10.7 years measured in the typical survey of the breed of its size. However, this study had a sample size too small to be considered reliable, and much anecdotal evidence suggests that they are on average one of the longest lifespans of large dogs, up to 15 years.